All right, welcome back again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I'm here again to give you updates on what is going on because there's a very shocking news that I want to share with us. Please, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. As you can see here, this is from Sahara Reporter. As you can see, the headline of the title of the video as well. Nigerian Air Force, NAF, airstrike hit a market in Yobe State. Many of us don't understand that when you say Nigerian government is actually, helping, terrorists, some people don't understand it. This is Nigerian Air Force reporting that they mistakenly hit, a market in Yobe State. The report is in a different way. Some people say that it's a kind of deliberate act. Some say that is actually a mistake. But when you pay close attention to what the governor of the state said, you will now understand what happened and why it happened. Some time ago in Yobe State and Imo State, some part in eastern part received this kind of airstrike. I saw a video of Iken Guru some time ago talking about, in fact, saying that hey, it is fault of the villagers. Why must they allow the agitators, people talking about Biafra, to use their village as a hideout? Because of that, airstrike must carry on in those areas without any proper investigation and connect it to what happened in Yobe State. Because the governor himself says something according to what you're about to see here in this particular video. This is me encouraging you to like the video. Please, I am begging you, like the video, subscribe to the channel in case if you are new, and let us know what you think about the video is all about. It is not a news that some Nigerian, if not all the armed forces in Nigeria today have this kind of connection and integrated Boko Haram members participating in different fields of Nigerian Air Force, and that is something that people are questioning the credibility of the Nigerian forces from Army, Air Force, and Police. It is not actually something that anybody would be proud of. As you can see here, this happened yesterday, being 12th of April 2026. Borno governor says Gely market hit by airstrike was shot 5 years ago. That the market itself has been suspended 5 years ago over insurgent activities. And this raised a kind of question. So, if that is the case, is the governor saying this to justify the reason why airstrike is carried out there? Because according to the governor, that market, they have seen the activities, how the terrorists are using the market. They shut it down 5 years ago, and maybe because of that, they have now started using it again. They have to carry out this airstrike. But shockingly, the Air Force themselves later came out and said, we actually made a mistake. Contradicting report, right? They contradicted each other. Borno governor says Gedy market hit by airstrike was shot 5 years ago over insurgents activities. This publication was made by Sahara Reporter, like I told you, and we are here to go through it bit by bit. So starting from this is the news in details. Starting from the top, as you can see here, same news, same headline. Zulu maintained that the closure was part of the broader security measure to cut off supply chain and gathering points allegedly exploited by the insurgents and their collaborators. So he's still giving reason why they shut it down. Borno State Governor Babagana Zulu has said the Gedy market in Gobio local government area, where a recent military airstrike reportedly killed dozens of civilians, was a notorious hub for bandits and insurgents logistics, insisting the facility has been officially shut down 5 years ago. In a statement issued on Sunday by his special advisor on media, Dauda Lilia, the governor described Gely market as a location long associated with insurgents' activities, even as a controversy, even as controversy trail report of civilian casualties from the strike. I have been properly briefed on the airstrike carried out by the air component of Operation Hadu Kai on Gili Market, a border town between Borno and Yobe State. Let me state categorically that the Borno State governor closed Gili Market, and Gazarboro Market 5 years ago, the governor said. Zulu maintained that the closure was part of broader security measure to cut off supply chain and gathering points allegedly exploited by insurgents and their collaborators. This is C. Osokele. He noted that the state government works closely with the military and other security agencies before reopening any market or resettling replaced communities, particularly in volatile areas. He noted that the state government worked closely with the military and other security agencies before reopening any markets or resettling displaced communities, particularly in volatile areas affected by insurgents. I am in close consultation with the government of Yobe State and the military hierarchy on the matter, he added. The government reiterated his administration's commitment to protecting the law-abiding citizens while sustaining joint operation with security forces to restore peace across the state. He also urged residents to remain vigilant and support ongoing military efforts. The governor further urged residents to remain vigilant and cooperate with security agencies by providing credible information that will aid ongoing military operation. Leah said, that is the media person about the whole thing, the media person of the governor. Then I stumbled on a video of Alhaji, English Alhaji. Many of you know the guy. I'm going to start by reading the headline from Choose, who made this publication, who posted the video, said, if Nigerian Air Force claimed the airstrike was a mistake, that means it is a greatest mistake I have ever seen in my life, English Alhaji says as he revealed this afternoon that a Nigerian Air Force NAF airstrike mistakenly hit a market in Yobe State, leaving many people died and several other injured. So this is a kind of a graphic image of what happened in the market as Alhaji have this to say.
Nigerians, something happened yesterday in Yobe State. Local government area of Yobe State. Something happened there yesterday and they want to hide it. The Nigerian Air Force have come out to say that thing that happened there yesterday was a mistake. Now, if that thing was actually a mistake, that is the greatest mistake I have ever seen in my life. It is the most costliest mistake that I, English Alhaji, have ever witnessed in my life. Because close to 100 people lost their life yesterday, and some of them are still in the hospital. Yesterday's date was the 11th of April 2026 in the afternoon. Yesterday was also the market day for gedy. Gedy is spelled as Jilli. That's a village under Gidam local government. So it was actually their market day. That's yesterday. So women went to the market to buy stuff. People went to the market to buying and selling. All of a sudden, from nowhere, the fighter jets just dropped fire on top of them. Nigerians, go to my Telegram. Go and see for yourself. You know this platform will not allow me to post these things here. Go to my Telegram. If you are new on this my page and don't have the link to my Telegram, go to the comment section of this video. If you're watching from Facebook, go there. You're gonna find the link to my Telegram. Click then to take you straight to my Telegram. If you are watching from Instagram, you go to my bio. You find the link there, you click, it's gonna take you to my Telegram. Go and see the bodies, the people that lost their life from, according to the Nigerian and Air Force, from the mistake of the Nigerian Air Force, because they said that thing was actually a mistake. That's what they say. Close to 100 people lost their life. Some are still in the hospital. It happened yesterday, 11th of April, 2026. Go there and see. I'm going to bring her out. English Alhaji will bring her out. If they hide them, we will bring her out. You don't understand? I know the reason why they don't like me. Yes, so I know the reason why they don't like me. Why they are looking for me everywhere. Everywhere. They need is my head. They want my head. But to look back, go they protect them. I know the reason. Now, because of all this reason, go to my Telegram and see the number of people that we are unalive from the mistake, according to the Air Force, from the mistake of the Nigerian Air Force. Go there and see. I don't go back too much. You know the story. If they hide them, and remember the gedy, the local government is the state, Yobe State. Know the story?
All right, that's from English Alhaji, giving you updates on what happened there. Today, some people are still taking this for granted. You are still doubting, you are still trying to gaze and pretend that all is well, when you know that nothing is well actually. Because how can you tell me that this airstrike is a mistake? And the governor of the Yobe State is busy telling you that the market, we shut it down some time ago, 5 years ago, because it's a kind of a hub for terrorism, and so that means the airstrike is deliberate, because to you that place is supposed to be strike. That's why the governor is actually defending it. You understand what I'm saying now? And according to English Alhaji, that even the Air Force, why governor is trying to give reasons why the airstrike should be carried out, the Nigerian Air Force came out and said actually it was a mistake. So since that was a mistake, where do you actually intend to strike? Is it in the market? Okay, if you want to strike market, why can't you beat your chest and say, yes, we got it right? But the look of things shows, everything shows that it's not a mistake. Because the governor of the state says that that market had been the hub of jihad, of Ndobunigwe, okay, bandit and terrorist group and their collaborators. And their collaborators is what people are now calling the civilian. So does it mean that the governor is right or wrong? In my own judgment, I think the governor is wrong, because there's no way everybody in that market is linked to terrorism. I don't think. I doubt. Even if you want to carry out that kind of airstrike, that means if you can carry that such airstrike in a suspicious, in a place that is not actually well, in a controversial manner like that, it simply means that you are expected to carry several airstrikes to those locations where is well known for terrorism, hideouts. But you have not done that. This is what Biafrans have been experiencing for years in the hands of Nigerian Air Force. You see the reason why America refused to, did not allow them to use the corner jet to some places, because they always use it wrongly. Please let me know what you think about what we are discussing, because I believe you'll understand the news. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's not pretend that you have liked it when you have not. Please subscribe and like the video. Put your comment. Let me know what you think about it. What's your take? God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.